Hi, everybody. Welcome to Geometry. I am Mrs. Depa, and I will be your geometry teacher for this year. Excited to get the year started. It feels like we've been out of school for quite a while now, so I am really looking forward to getting back and at it. Looking forward to getting to know each and every one of you and being able to teach you a little geometry. So wanted to just kind of touch base with you real quick and just kind of give you a little bit of an overview and let you know some things you can do to kind of get started so that you can be more aware of what this year will be like in geometry. I will be communicating with you regularly, pretty much on a daily basis through Google Classroom. So here are the codes depending on what period you have me. Look at your schedule, see what period you have Mrs. Depa for either geometry or honors geometry. And then accordingly, go here, put in the code, and get onto our Google Classroom. When you get there, you will already notice the class syllabus is on there. So you can go through the syllabus, read through that, see if you have any questions, jot those down for me. Send me an email if you have questions about the syllabus. And then at the end of the syllabus is a little bit of a parent guardian letter. And within that letter is a Google form that I would really appreciate if your parent or guardian could fill that out for me, because that will also help me to get to know you a little better. So that is one thing you can go ahead and do and kind of get started on before we really go live next week. This year, it will be more important than ever for you to communicate. We need to be sure that we are communicating with each other. It is really the key to us having a successful, efficient year for this school year. So the best way to communicate with me would be through email. And so my email address is there for you. It's also on the syllabus. Because then I can access that 7 days a week. I'm not promising that I'll get back to you immediately, especially if it's in the evening or during a weekend, because I do have 3 children of my own at home who are doing online schooling and are involved in sports and such, but I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. If it's during the school day, then I'll be getting back to you pretty quickly because I definitely will be available throughout the school day. So email is the best. Voicemail, you can definitely try voicemail. The problem with the voicemail is I might not be able to get access to it. I will only be in the school building twice a week. So it might be a 5-day period before I even know that there's a voicemail waiting for me. So email is definitely the way to go. And then as we get into the class schedule and into live teaching and such, I'll have office hours where we'll be able to get into the Google Meets and communicate that way as well. So communication is key. I am big on communication. And since this year is so unpredictable, it is going to be more important for us to communicate and to be flexible and to maybe have to change things up a bit throughout the year. And we'll just do that accordingly. But we will definitely have to be open to some flexibility this year. Anyway, I'm really excited to have you in class, really excited to get the school year started, and getting really anxious to get to meet all of you and see you on the screen at least. And then maybe hopefully they'll eventually let us into the classroom. We'll see, but we'll definitely take one day at a time. Anyway, great to have you in class. Looking forward to the next couple of weeks, and it's great to be your cruiser. Have a great evening.